Good day everyone, I'm P. Kaishen from Group J of EBB250, Computer Methods for Engineers. Today we will be doing a presentation on how to build a model using Solidwork. Solidworks is a solid modeling computer-aided design (CAD) and computer-aided engineering (CAE) computer program that runs on Microsoft Windows. Solidworks is a solid modeler and utilized a parametric features-based approach which was initially developed by PTC Creo Engineer to create models and assemblies, and this is the members of our Group J.
Hi, I'm Amir. So basically in SolidWorks we have at least 5 steps in order to complete or create the object that we want. So the first step is draft sketching a model. Firstly, you need to start with the draft sketching of the actual model. This is the very basic of step when you need to imagine an object that you want, so that you will know the object very well. This step is important to give a general visual idea of the model, how it should look like. The sketch should consist of the basic orthography drawing, which is top view, front view, and right view. Also, a single isometric full model. From the drawing or sketch that we make, we will know every detail of the object. Like I said before, the top view, front view, and the right view, we will know each of the view and about the dimension, how it will look like. So after you have completed the sketching, the draft, you can imagine the object that you want.
Right, so as you can see, this is the sketching that Amir was talking about. It's an orthographic sketching with just a pencil and a paper. For the top left is the top view, bottom left is the front view, bottom right is the right view, and then there's an isometric 3D drawing at the top right one. So we have our specific measurements, our specific shapes that we want to be modeled in the SolidWorks. So this is just for our understanding of what the model should look like, and to interpret it in paper for just understanding purposes. So for the real model, we'll be drawing in SolidWorks and will be explained later.
So for the step 2, which is method used to build. Firstly, click on the new on the standard toolbar or file new. In the new SolidWorks document dialog box, click part and click OK. A new part document open for drawing the part of a complete object. For this model, we were using part feature because it will only consist for one component assembly feature. It's used for assembly different components made of parts. Thank you.
Setting for number 3. Set the unit system to mmgs to enable the unit of measurement to millimeter, grams, and second. Setting number 4. We use a sketch to construct the basic outline of the drawing. The sketch is in 2D. Later, we were going to extrude the sketch so that it can become a 3D model. That's all.
For step 3, we do sketching. First, select the front plane to start the drawing. After that, use line to draw the basic shape of the drawing. Finally, for the curve part of the drawing, use spline to sketch it.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Aiman Kimi, and I have been tasked to explain about slide 9 and slide 10. So slide 9, first we have to pick front plane, then we have to draw a line. Then we start from the bottom or the top. So if we start from the bottom, so we have to draw a line downward and an angular line, then a line again, an angular line, then a straight line above, and angular line to the right, then a line to the right, and line to the top, then line to the right again, and a line to the bottom, and lastly a line to the right. Thank you.
So after sketching the basic shape of the drawing, we need to give the dimension for each line in the sketch. So now we need to click the smart dimension. After clicking the smart dimension, we need to drag the dimension up and place it. In the modify dialog box, we can type the value we need in the box so that we can get the exact value of the sketch.
We set the unit as an MGS. Then we start doing smart dimension. We click at the smart dimension and click on the line that we want to adjust. Then we click OK. After that, we key in the dimension we want at each line. After adjusting each line to the dimension we want, then we do the difficult part, that is the circle and the tangent part. The circle, we draw it with diameter 3mm. Then we draw a line at the angle which can be connected to the circle. After that, we click at the tangent to let the circle can be connected to the line.
Next step is how to extrude the sketch. Okay, after finish the sketching, click the sketch icon to exit the sketch mode first. Then go to the features, click the extrude boss/base and select the sketch. Then a preview of the extrude will be appeared. Set the extrude dimension to 3mm and then the drawing is done.
I will explain on how to extrude the model. First, after sketching out the 2D model, click on features and select on Extrude boss or base icon and select the sketch. Then a preview of the extrude will be appeared. On the property manager, select the direction into blind and set the dimension into 3.0mm. After setting up the dimension, click the right button in the upper right corner of the window, and then the drawing is done.
I will explain about the summary. Step 1. Draft sketching a model. We need to create a simple sketching of the model that consists of the orthographic drawing and a single isometric view. Next, step 2. Method used to build. We need to choose the methods features needs to be used. First, method if parts. It is used for creating different parts or components of a model. Second method is assembly. Assembly used for combining different parts or components to make fully built model.
For the continuous summary, step 3, sketching. First, use the sketching to sketch a 2D view of the model. Then, by using a different planes, this 2D shape can be modified and extruded later. Step 4, dimension. Use the Smart Dimension feature to modify the dimensions of the sketch for a maximum accuracy. Step 5, extrude. First, exit the sketch mode and extrude the 2D shape by using the different extrude methods. Then, the final step of turning 2D sketching into a 3D model or component.